about gaming, peripherals, 'di ba? So, dito rin sa atin, no? So, Black Friday sale din tayo. That's why meron tayong 11/11 and 12.
Pag hindi, pipilitin natin tapusin. Konti na lang to eh. So, hopefully, hindi tayo matagalan.
Bago yung parang pinaka-final build. Pero sabihin mo yung pinaka-actual final build na buo na, wala na sila nun, no? Lost in translation na ika nga, 'di ba?
Galing na ako kanina dun ah. Pampatanggal din ng kaba. Ano ba yun? Hindi makita.
Most precious and worthy of safekeeping. See, Scripture. I shall head to Barren Light when the captain of the Vanguard tells me the way is clear.
Parang hindi naman gumagana yung evade ng hayop na... Uy!
Across the solar system, no? In an instant. So, ayun lang, no? Yun yung appeal sa akin ng COD Infinite Warfare. Okay.
The American government denies any involvement in the affair. Is that right as well?
That's correct. We were not involved in any way.
Then what was a U.S. military?
Sino kaya to? Si Madoka siguro to.
Aren't as bad since you got this place running again. But we still got Olvin grating the gears about his concession decree.
If you don't put that down, I'll come over there and show you how that game ends.
Kasi nga, casuals eh. Diba? So, syempre, tayong mga nandun sa not into the casuals, especially dun sa certain game na nire-review, ka i-sacrifice yung ibang destination sa Hong Kong, no? Pero ayun nga, nung pumunta kami dun sa HK nung time na yon, sa totoo lang, ang pinakamahal na pinuntahan namin was Disneyland.
Bitch. Sapul na sapul yung mukha niya eh.
You ordered the work stoppage?
Indeed I did. We're laborers, not soldiers. Until the Carja clean up their mess and give us the fair deal we deserve, I'm not risking Ossurum lives. Open the gates! Open the gates!
Failed to deliver any romantic gnosis and consistent condition of body. Face could not be identified. Cause unknown. Unfortunately, disease did not blossom.
Napaka late ng payoff. Pero yung undertaking to do that, sobrang laki. So, kung saan yung doon, hostisya. Diba? Saka nasaan doon
silence through the night. What a thrill. I'm searching and I'll melt into.
What does it... Wag na nga.
Khrushchev finds out about this, we're finished.
being a hikikimori is antisocial ka, 'di ba? Pero syempre, kapag working citizen ka, kailangan mo mag-interact sa mga office mate mo, no?
Snake.
Guys, next time na
From you, papunta doon sa ano mo, sa destination mo or sa magre-receive ng pera is that since ilalagay mo yan, kailangan yung mga record
As the sun burns away shadow. Thank you for that, Aloy.
Oh, he had it coming. Pens, not that many machines.
ng traction para ma-push yung game to release it physically, 'di ba? Yun yung mga loss in translation na.
Snake, are you there?
Eva?
Did you miss me?
Alam ko si Lorenzo meron siyang collection ng ganon. So pati yun, 'di ba? Tinatry din nating i-keep, tinatry din nating i-preserve yung mga magazines na yon, 'di ba?
That's it. That's the stance.
Kano naman 500, tapos part pa siya ng collection mo. 'Di ba? Ay, grabe sir sa mahilig sa Black Ops 6, no?
At ma-sidestep ko pa. Sa mukha.
Money involved, syempre. So we buy, you purchase yung game do sa platform, and then syempre sa platform nasa kanila yung repository ng content. Si YouTube, inaano niya na pag masyadong kita yung dibdib. No? Anyway, game. Ito, 'di ba? Isipin niyo na lang, no? Yung mga games natin if maging NFT sila. So, pwede nating i-trade. Na from the past decades na content, no, or na games, 'di ba? Na which is mostly tong mga publishers, no?
That should stir things up a bit. You'd better hurry.
Mukhang Amyoji yung tatay niya.
I should have contacted you myself. Did you know that one of our soldiers defected to your country a week ago? I've said it once and I'll say it again, our government had nothing to do with it.
And I would like dearly to believe you. However, I'm afraid my power over the military has weakened.
Nakalista dito yung lahat ng transaction natin. Kunyari, person 1, person 2, person 3. O kunyari, ang transaction, si person 1 daw.
Ang din sa mga naunang fatal frame eh.
You're next, girl.
I've never seen a shield like.
Bukasan ng MBC collection this Friday na usapan. Pusan panigurado. DLC pa nito. MBC
is yung welfare ng tao. 'Di ba? More like dun sa parang alam mo 'yun, well-being mo. 'Di ba? Kaya nga
daw. Ito, yes, Gemo.
But not a lot of activity.
Smoke's probably coming from something the machines wrecked. As for the quiet, well, there's a work stoppage in effect because of all the
Where'd they learn to do that?
Silence.
Vashav! Come with us now, or not at all!
no. Because dahil mas voca yung fans, no, kaysa din sa parang ikaw as a casual take. No. So ngayon ikaw yung mga offline games na binili natin, hindi natin ma-access, no, kasi kailangan ng authentication, ganyan at stuff, whatever. So, isipin mo na lang
It was crafted long before the other Kagura mask, and it was different from any other.
altcoins ang ETC, no, or ang Ethereum. and then the rest. No, kasi lahat yun parang derived from that. Or at least some of those.
One less machine.
Medyo ko nakahampas. Bago ang lahat.
Trapped. Get down.
Is to make the wearers one with the gods as they take appearance of them and perform the ritual dance. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, Sir Jake Blasco. Okay, so wala akong maisip yung stream eh. Ito na lang stream natin. Horizon.
You'll come to a heliport used for shipping materials. Pass the heliport and continue north and there will be a large crevice. Descend into that area and you'll reach a cave. Move through the cave and you will arrive at a man.
Yoko Magaki. Ito yung kaya mo. Ay, hindi. Ay, ito pabila.
No. You want to save?
To execute yung game na, or I mean, sorry, kasi binebenta mo pala, so para dapat ma-transfer dun sa bumili, no? Yung ID.
Hindi pwede kunan. Di ba ano to?
Ano pa ako nun eh, medyo hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Di ba? Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. No? Pero, ayun nga. During the night, okay naman, no? Ang tawag doon, sa mga bagay na essentials para mabuhay ang tao. Yan, like water, diba? Food, diba?
Hey, Mildef. Mildef. I took some of your stew last time I went into the wilds. Kept me going for a week. Felt like I could have put a strider in a sleeper hold.
The Cuban incident. But my power is is not as great as it once was. If I am to survive this crisis, I must have...
naging appealing sa akin because of the setting. Solar system, tapos meron kang airship or well, spaceship, no? Na you can travel.
Huh? Who's that? Radio, where's our backup?
Patay si Snake. Alunod.
Seeks to topple my government. 1 week. You have only 1 week. And if it is not too much to ask, do something about Volgin as well.
What is that supposed to mean?
Very smart. You were asking to have your gun jam on you. Huh? Besides, I don't think you're cut out for an automatic in the first place. You tend to twist your elbow to absorb the recoil.
Ito na lang, example, no? Para medyo clear tayo. Kunyari, bagong release ng game. Let's say, ano ba? Final Fantasy 7.
Maybe finally someone who will outdrink